Some people think that they have no sense of rhythm, but nothing could be further from the truth. After all, your heartbeat is keeping you alive, and it was doing that from before you were born. Effectively, rhythm is part of us. It's everywhere around us as well. So don't think for a moment that you don't have any sense of rhythm. Quite the opposite is true. And so what we're going to discover on this course is how you can maximize your innate sense of your own rhythmic personality. On this course, we're going to strip rhythm back to its bare fundamentals, building grooves up one drum at a time to begin to see how we can take simple patterns into more complicated ones. Starting at the sort of simpler end, what we're going to discover on this course is how to program some of the most sort of classic beat patterns for particular musical genres you can imagine. Then what we're going to do is to move things on a little bit, beginning to understand some more complex theories like polyrhythm and syncopation. What happens when we have beat patterns play off against each other, and also what happens when we place accents on unusual places within a rhythmic pattern. And then we're also going to look at how we can create polyrhythms and syncopation using effects rather than notes we program, using delay and cascading delay so that one echo triggers another to produce really interesting, complicated rhythmic patterns. One really fun thing to do with a rhythm is to take your audience by surprise, to give them the idea that a rhythm falls in a particular pattern, only to interrupt that idea by dropping a kick drum in a place where people aren't expecting it, and completely shifting the emphasis of a groove in the process. We're going to look at that on this course to begin to see how we can create these really wonderful moments where rhythms aren't quite what your audience is expecting them to be.